trouble. Everybody say, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Everything! Everything in the world!
Alright, yung mga mini-wish po ba?
Wala, sabi ko na lahat kanina. Best future na lang for Bettina.
Daddy.
World peace for Archie. We wish for Archie a good health, good future, and that she may grow God-fearing, parents-loving, and ano pa ba? Yan, basta all the best for Archie. We love you, Archie.
And also, in behalf of McDonald's family, we should have a prosperity. God bless your family all the time, Bettina, okay? In the count of three, that's the time, that's the time, blow your candle, okay? In 1, 2, 3, happy birthday!